POLDR binoculars provide beautifully crisp and clean magnification in a compact, easy-to-use unit. The 8x21 configuration offers 8 times magnification through a 21mm objective lens with a wide field of view. With these binoculars, you'll be able to see amazing detail at great distances with no distortion or fringing near the edges of the image. The clarity is excellent throughout the entire field of view. Our binoculars are easily adjustable for both adults and children, and our focusing system means that you can dial in a crystal clear image without the need for your prescription glasses. Simply adjust the focusing wheel and bring the image into focus, and then use the additional adjustment on the right eyepiece for fine-tuning. It's that simple. POLDR binoculars come with a convenient protective carrying case, a neck strap, instructions, and a lens cleaning cloth. These binoculars are durable with a heavy-duty rubberized coating, making them ideal for any situation. They're great for nature, camping, sightseeing, bird watching, concerts, boating, sports, hunting, and so much more. The compact, lightweight size makes them ideal to carry anywhere. If you're looking for binoculars, look no further than this set from POLDR.
The Nightfox 100V is a digital night vision device offering superb performance with a revolutionary widescreen viewing monitor and a nighttime range of over 100 yards. In the box, you will find the 100V, a neck strap, an infrared filter, and a manual. So let's get started. Place 4 new AA alkaline or lithium batteries in each compartment. Each battery's negative side should be touching the springs. To turn on, long press the power button on top of the device until the viewing screen illuminates. For night use, make sure the filter is removed. Now, have a look through the viewfinder. Turn on the infrared LED by pressing the IR button. Press the IR button repeatedly to cycle through each level of brightness. From 0 through 7 and back to 0. Adjust the image focus by turning the lens at the front of the device, or by turning the focus wheel underneath. To enable the digital zoom, press the zoom button on top of the device. Repeatedly press to increase the zoom. The 100V has a fixed 3 times optical magnification and 2 times digital zoom. Having reached 2 times digital zoom, press the zoom button again to disable. To turn the device off, long press the power button until you see the goodbye message on the LCD screen. To attach the included neck strap, ensure the plastic fastener is right side up. Feed the strap through the tether points on each side of the device. Create some slack by pulling the strap upwards in the middle of the plastic fastener. This will create a loop. Pull both ends tightly to fix down the strap.